I have an opening in my house that is over 9 feet long. I couldn't find a vinyl transition strip for it, so I decided to make one myself out of wood. Let's get started. The first thing I did was go to a local lumber yard and buy a piece of 1x2x10 red oak. I used my table saw to cut the piece in half. Doing so created a 2x1/2x10. Next, I picked the prettiest of the two boards and moved my table saw to a 45-degree angle. To give my transition strip more of an oval shape, I cut a little bevel on each side of the transition strip. Because my tile is taller than my vinyl flooring, I decided to make my transition strip a little thinner on that side. So I used the table saw to make half of the transition strip a little thinner. This will allow the transition strip to lie flat on the flooring. I used a belt sander to smooth out the bevels and finished it off with a palm sander. I used my miter saw to cut the transition strip to size. Then it was time for a test fit. Don't that look nice? To keep that thin wood from splitting, I pre-drilled all the screws. I found some stain that worked perfectly. Then I installed the transition strip with some trim screws.